Hi, I'm Steve Moon, proud owner of King Services, and today I'm here with...
My name's Joe. I'm a Red Seal plumber with King Services.
And today we're in our customer's home and we're going to walk you through the process of how to flush your hot water tank. So, Joe, why don't you tell me why and what you do when you flush a hot water tank?
Yeah, so it is a manufacturer's requirement that the hot water tank gets flushed a minimum once a year. And the reason for that is there starts to be a buildup within the tank of kind of debris and particles. And what that does is it can make it so if you ever need to drain out the tank, it can make it very difficult, as well as it can start to rob you of space in your tank. And it can kind of start to ruin the efficiency, and you can start to kind of block off the elements so it won't be heating as well.
Okay, perfect. So ultimately, as the hot water tank's full, you want to get that sediment right out and flushed right out of the tank.
Yeah, exactly. So your water should be right down to the bottom. So if you started to get kind of debris build up to here, this is your element here. So if you were to submerge that element with debris, this element would no longer be working anymore.
Okay, perfect. Well, let's run through the process.
Yeah, so what I like to do is I kind of like to check the ball valves on the tank, kind of open and close them, make sure that they function properly, just in case you ever had a problem down the road that they're operational. So yeah, this tank here is a Rheem 60 gallon electric hot water tank. It's about 4 years old, so it's kind of near the middle of its life. And yeah, so kind of the first step that we do is we run a garden hose. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to run it into a bucket. But what I recommend is if you can run the hose into a floor drain or out to kind of outside somewhere. And you're basically just going to run the water until it were to go clear. So I'm just going to take a flathead screwdriver and open up the valve on the bottom of the tank.
Now let's see how dirty that water is.
And this is kind of how dirty the water is. So it looks pretty bad in there.
Wow, so that's what the people are showering and bathing in. So this is why you want to flush your hot water tank on a yearly basis.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we just kind of want to keep up with it before it gets so bad where we can't even get that valve on the bottom of the tank open.
So Joe, now that we've actually flushed this customer's hot water tank, we can, you can see how real easy it is, but you can also see how dirty the water is, and it's something we should be doing on a yearly basis for sure. So if you feel like you can do it yourself, great. But if you feel like you can't and you want somebody to help you and want a professional company to do it, please call us today at 204-633-9010.